Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton, 1643–1727, was an English physicist and mathematician who is widely regarded as one of the most influential scientists in history. He made significant contributions to various fields, including physics, mathematics, astronomy, and natural philosophy. He also developed the law of universal gravitation, which explains the motion of celestial bodies and is still used today. Isaac Newton is known for his insightful and thought-provoking quotes. Here are a few notable ones. "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." This quote highlights Newton's humility and recognition of the contributions made by those who came before him. "To every action, there is always an equal and opposite reaction." This quote encapsulates Newton's third law of motion, which states that forces always occur in pairs. "I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people." Newton acknowledged the complexity of human behavior and the limitations of scientific understanding in certain areas. "What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean." This quote underscores the vastness of knowledge yet to be discovered and Newton's recognition of the limits of human understanding. Tact is the art of making a point without making an enemy. Newton's quote emphasizes the importance of diplomacy and tact in interpersonal relationships. "To explain all nature is too difficult a task for any one man or even for any one age. This much better to do a little with certainty, and leave the rest for others that come after you." Newton recognized the collaborative nature of scientific progress and the collective effort required to uncover the mysteries of nature. These quotes showcase Newton's brilliance, humility, and awareness of the limitations of human knowledge. They provide insight into his mindset and approach to science and life. "I do not know what I may appear to the world, but to myself, I seem to have been only like a boy playing on the seashore, and diverting myself in now and then finding a smoother pebble or a prettier shell than ordinary, whilst the great ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me." This quote highlights Newton's humility and his recognition that despite his remarkable discoveries, there is still much more to be explored and understood. "If I have done the public any service, it is due to my patient thought." Newton valued the importance of deep contemplation and careful analysis in scientific inquiry. He believed that his contributions were a result of his dedicated and patient thinking. "Plato is my friend, Aristotle is my friend, but my greatest friend is truth." This quote reflects Newton's commitment to seeking truth and his prioritization of objective knowledge over loyalty to any particular philosopher or thinker. "I was like a boy playing on the seashore, and diverting myself now and then finding a smoother pebble or a prettier shell than ordinary, whilst the great ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me." This quote, similar to the first one mentioned, emphasizes Newton's humility and his awareness that his discoveries were merely small glimpses in comparison to the vastness of knowledge yet to be uncovered. "We build too many walls and not enough bridges." This quote showcases Newton's belief in the importance of collaboration and the sharing of knowledge. He recognized that progress could be made more effectively by breaking down barriers and fostering connections between people. These quotes provide further insight into Newton's mindset, his approach to knowledge, and his philosophical outlook. They demonstrate his humility, dedication to truth, and his recognition of the collective nature of scientific progress.